Before operating any power equipment, be sure you're wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and appropriate safety shoes. Clear the area of any debris and mark all obstacles. Be sure to clear the area of any pets or people, especially children. When you're ready to start the engine, open the fuel valve, close the choke, and turn the engine switch clockwise. Hold the operator presence control handle down while you pull the pull cord towards your body until the engine starts. The operator presence control handle is located on the right operator handlebar and will turn the engine off if not held down. Before you begin cutting sod, make sure you adjust the throttle lever to your desired speed. Adjusting the depth stop provides a consistent cutting depth between uses. Now tilt the machine forward. It's also important to adjust the blade depth control lever to your desired cutting depth. The blade depth control lever is located in the center of the unit and has a yellow handle. You lock the blade depth in place using the blade depth control locking lever, which has a green handle and is located on the right side of the unit. Then tilt the unit back until the blade engages the ground. In cutting mode, both the red and yellow levers should be turned up. To transport the unit, the red lever is up and the yellow lever is down. When ready to begin cutting sod, engage the blade by pushing the red clutch control handle away from your body. This will also engage the drive belt and move the unit forward. You can now begin cutting sod. Be safe and enjoy operating the Ryan Jr. Sod Cutter. For more information, a review of safe operating procedures, or advanced operating features, review the owner's manual or consult with your rental expert.